Ever felt like navigating the world of finance was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? You're not alone. So many of us are looking for a financial partner that's not just secure and reliable, but also, well, human. Someone who gets that your financial journey is personal, unique to you. Maybe you're tired of endless paperwork, confusing jargon, and feeling like just another number. Perhaps you're dreaming of a smoother, more intuitive way to manage your money, grow your savings, or even take those first steps into investing. That's where BluPeak comes in. Think of it as your financial co-pilot, designed to make your journey less stressful and more empowering. We understand that opening a new account can sometimes feel like a big leap, filled with questions and maybe even a little bit of apprehension. That's why today, we're going to take that leap together. Forget the overwhelming forms and the mystery of the process. We're going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to open an account with BluPeak, making it as clear and straightforward as brewing your morning coffee. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's touch upon why BluPeak might be the right fit for you. We're not just another financial institution. We're building a community centered around your financial well-being. We prioritize transparency, security, and a user-friendly experience. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to build your financial foundation, we believe BluPeak offers the tools and support you need to thrive. From our intuitive mobile app to our dedicated customer support, we've designed every aspect of BluPeak with you in mind. We believe that managing your finances shouldn't feel like a chore, it should feel like you're in control, making informed decisions with confidence. So, are you ready to ditch the financial frustration and discover a simpler, more supportive way to manage your money? Great! Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to our website, insert BluPeak website address here. You can do this on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, whatever works best for you. Once you're there, look for the prominently displayed Open an Account button. It's usually located in the top right corner or somewhere equally easy to spot on the home page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to our account opening portal. Now, don't worry, we're not going to bombard you with a million questions all at once. We've broken down the process into manageable steps. The first step is typically personal information. This is where you'll provide us with the basics, like your name, date of birth, residential address, email address, and phone number. Make sure to double-check the information you enter to avoid any delays later on. Accuracy is key here. Think of it as laying the foundation for your BluPeak journey. Next up, you'll likely be asked for your identification details. As a regulated financial institution, we're required to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security and helps protect you and the entire BluPeak community from fraud. You'll typically be asked to provide a valid government-issued ID, such as your driver's license, national ID card, or passport. You might be able to upload a clear photo or scan of your ID directly through the portal. We use secure encryption technology to ensure your sensitive information is protected every step of the way. After your identification, you might be asked about your employment and financial background. This helps us understand your financial situation better and tailor our services to your needs. You might be asked about your occupation, employer, if applicable, and your source of income. Don't worry, we're not looking for an in-depth financial history, just the essential details to ensure we can provide you with the most appropriate account options and services. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your account type. BluPeak offers a range of account options designed to meet different financial goals. You might see options like Everyday Checking Account, perfect for your daily transactions, bill payments, and easy access to your funds. Savings Account, designed to help you grow your money over time with competitive interest rates. You might even see different tiers of savings accounts with varying interest rates and access options. Investment Account, for those looking to explore the world of investing, with options ranging from individual stocks and bonds to managed portfolios. We'll have more detailed information about our investment options available as you navigate this stage. Take your time to review the features and benefits of each account type. Consider your current financial needs and your future goals. Are you primarily looking for a convenient way to manage your day-to-day finances? Or are you focused on building long-term wealth? You can usually find detailed descriptions of each account type by clicking on them. Once you've selected the account type that best suits you, you'll move on to review and confirmation. This is your chance to carefully review all the information you've provided. Double-check your personal details, your chosen account type, and any other selections you've made. It's always a good idea to take a moment here to ensure everything is accurate before you proceed. Finally, you'll reach the agreement and submission stage. Here, you'll be presented with our terms and conditions, privacy policy, and other important legal documents. We encourage you to read these carefully so you understand your rights and responsibilities as a BluPeak account holder. Once you've reviewed and agreed to these terms, you'll typically click a button to submit your application. And that's it. In most cases, the initial application process takes just a few minutes. Now, what happens after you submit your application? Once we receive your application, our team will review the information you've provided. This usually involves verifying your identity and ensuring all the necessary details are in order. The processing time can vary depending on the volume of applications we're receiving, but we always strive to make this process as efficient as possible. In some cases, we might need additional information from you. If this happens, we'll reach out to you via the email address or phone number you provided during the application process. So, make sure to keep an eye on your inbox. Opening a bank account shouldn't feel like climbing a mountain. At BluPeak, we've streamlined the process to be as smooth and user-friendly as possible. From our intuitive online portal to our comprehensive mobile app and dedicated support team, we're here to guide you every step of the way. We believe in empowering you to take control of your financial future, and opening an account with us is the first step on that exciting journey. So, take a deep breath, click that Open an Account button, and let's build your financial future together. We're excited to welcome you to the BluPeak community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.